into bengiye-experience ngicabanga ukuthi ngi-sign i-contract kaSathane.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So that was the thing. 2013, that's where I was admitted into hospital. I was admitted because of mental disorder, which was bipolar depression. Yeah. Depression. That's when, but then during the period from 2012 to 2013, that's when I experienced the symptoms. That's when I experienced the symptoms. I was aggressive. The voices told me that everyone's trying to kill me.
And,
so I was
trying to defend yourself sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes I tried to defend myself. I was also paranoid. Yeah. So ngenza izinto eziningi while ngama-episode lawa. Yeah, kunala ngibaleka endlini ekhaya ngicabanga ukuthi family yami ifuna ukungibulala. Yeah.
Alright, nina benkashana kamenzi yaphuza umlaza ngameva nina bendlondle nophaphe ekhanda sabingelela kuyifundazwe zethu zonke khona eNingizimu Afrika. Sila eGauteng la sikhona kulezi insuku iBlack Life TV sithi dumelang bahayizwe. Likhaya sitwengi. Enganza ukuthi sibonga kakhulu ukuthi ke nisijoyine njalo usuku nosuku subscribe and like and comment. Kuyintokozo siyabonga kakhulu. Asikene ke ohlelweni namhlanje njengoba sengishilo igama lami Kings Changa lapha kaluqa ikhona ke sihambele sethu sosuku. Asizoza ukuthi kuze ngani ungubani igama lakhe bhuti sabona.
Sawona bhuti.
Njani?
Mina igama lami uTrevor wakamore.
More.
Ngumtswana.
Mtswana.
Yeah.
Okay. Sithathe bhuti usilandise since uhlelo luthi inkinga ekuthinta amadoda indoda ekhali. Udliwa yini bhuti? Yini inkinga khona kuwena?
Okay, mina ngidliwa yi-mental disorder.
Okay. Ukuphazamiseka komqondo.
Yeah, umphazamiseka komqondo.
Okay, bhuti.
Okay. Iqale 2011 mangicede matric.
Okay.
Lento le peer pressure yani. So sicalisa kanga sabhema intsango. So kula ngicala ukubhema intsango 2011 and in 2012
Sure.
ngaya e-university. Mangise university le lifestyle yentsango yakhula. Abangani bami siyabhema every time. Okay. Mase in 2012 izophela. Kula ngicala ukugula khona. Ngizwa ama voice Okay. Into bengiye-experience ngicabanga ukuthi ngi-sign i-contract kaSathane.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was the thing. 2013, that's where I was admitted into hospital. I was admitted because of mental disorder, which was bipolar depression. Yeah. Depression. That's when, but then during the period from 2012 to 2013, that's when I experienced the symptoms. That's when I experienced the symptoms. I was aggressive. The voices told me that everyone's trying to kill me. So I was
trying to defend yourself sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes I tried to defend myself. I was also paranoid. Yeah. So ngenza izinto eziningi while ngama-episode lawa. Yeah, kunala ngibaleka endlini ekhaya ngicabanga ukuthi family yami ifuna ukungibulala. Yeah.
So njengoba usho ukuthi from high school waye peer pressure, yini le engaka oyayicindaza la ndlela ukuthi uze wenze ezinye zezinto ezagcina zikuhlanganisa kulento yokubhema insana?
Bengino I don't know, can I speak
Yeah, yeah,
Tsotsitaal? Okay, benginokubloma nabantu abakhulu abadala
Ama-Grootman.
yeah, ama-Grootman. So kula alukubhema nabo because they were drinking Black Label, they were drinking, can I
Yeah, carry on.
okay. They were drinking beer, they were smoking weed. Yeah. So that's when I started smoking weed, drinking beer.
Trying to fit in.
Yeah, trying to fit in.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from there kwahamba kushuthi to you insango ayizange ifike kahle egazini lakho.
Yeah, azange ngiphathe kahle.
Yaqala yakubonisa ama-flames.
Yeah, ngazwa ama-voice I was aggressive, fighting with my family. Yeah.
I-affecte kanjani i-relationship yakho nabantu leyo nto from that days of high school until now mawubuka i-journey yakho since uphethwe i-bipolar njengobusho?
Okay, i-journey yami was very difficult because bengilwa nabantu esikolweni. Yeah. Bengafundi. And iyakhathaza weed sometimes iyenza lazy. So bengino ukumisa ama-lesson, ama-class benginowamisa. Maybe ngine class ngo-11, mina ngivuka ngo-1. So yeah, i-cause enokuthi ngifaile esikolweni. Yeah.
So after high school uphinde waqhubeka wafunda?
Yeah, after high school ngiqhubekile.
Ubufundela ini?
Bengifunda i-food technology.
Yini i-food technology?
Food technology is you study the microbiology of ukudla ukenzani.
Understanding into zokudla.
Yeah, zokudla. Yeah.
Okay, all right. So wagcina kanjani ke khona kwafundeka waqeda?
Neku second year.
Ngenxa yayo i-bipolar.
Yeah, ngenxa ye-bipolar.
Maskandali nje adenzeka around leso sikhathi ufunde esikoleni othi mhlawumbe mawuhleli ubona ucabange ngawe imaphi?
Benginozwa ama-voice. Ama-voice bewangitshela ukuthi everybody is trying to kill me. So bengiparanoid, bengakhoni mangiceda ukubhema insango, bengakhoni ukuma nabantu. Bengimeleka ngiye-rest, ngizivalele ngiyi-1. Yeah.
And why Paul bungayiye because kuyacaca ukuthi into ebikwenza ube nenkinga ubuyibona ukuthi insango?
Bengekho sure ukuthi insango ikhosa lento le. Ukuthi ngibe sure ukuthi insango mabangi-admit esibhedlela ngitshele u-doctor ukuthi ngisayine i-contract akaSathane. U-doctor ngitshela wathi hayi akusi-contract akaSathane ukuthi ubhema insango. So that's why it hit me. That's why it made sense ukuthi ukuthi ukusho lama voice bengiwawuzwa akusi uSathane. Insango yiyo cause i-depression. Yeah.
So kule contract mhlambe uchazela umuntu obukayo wena uthi ubuzwa ama voice iwona kulidele to sign a contract. Ayithini ama voice nge-contract? Ayithini kwakuthiwe yani i-contract mhlambe mahle uclarify lapho?
Mina ngumuntu othanda like I like being famous, I like your music, I like entertainment. Yeah, I want to get into the entertainment industry. So konje question was
ukuthi ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi kulama voices othi wayekuhlebela and end up ufile ngazuthi usayine contract kaSathane.
Yeah.
Ayithini ama voice akulidela to sign that contract? Ikhona eqondile ongayisho ukuthi ivoice yayithi yayichaza contract wakho yokuthi
azange ingitshele next ukuthi i-feeling engizwile.
That's just a feeling.
Yeah, it's just a feeling. When I was in my auditioning, that's where I felt like an out of body experience. That's where bangisign i-contract, a physical contract. Ngizwe ngathi umalume wami who passed away. And then that's where like hlanganisa ama dots ngawuzwa ukuthi okay It
Maybe.
wasn't me who was signing the contract. It was a third person. So it might be possible that it was a devil's contract. Yeah.
Tell me more, Brazo, nge-family yakho mhlawumbe ukuthi from the beginning kwenzeka yonke lento ukhula bebona uphambi kwabo bafile kanjani? Ama-reactions abathini? Yiphi imizamo asebeke bayizama to help you?
Oh, the first mayiqala le bipolar. Bengifila bengafuni ukutshela umuntu. But then finally ngitshela umama the action ayithathile ukuthi okay ugula ngengqondo. So wafonela amaphoyisa and the next day ngibavuse ngo4 in Kamatha. I don't know.
Yeah.
Ngeintatha, yeah. So ngibavuse ngeintatha ngo4. Ngamtshela umama ukuthi mama ngihamba through this type of situation in. So washo ukuthi ugula ngengqondo wafonela amaphoyisa. Makafonela amaphoyisa wafika amaphoyisa ne-ambulance. Bangise esibhedlela. That's where the dots combined. Ngabona ukuthi okay, it's a mental illness. It's not like it's not devilish or something. Yeah.
The way wena ucabanga.
The way bengicabanga ngakho.
Okay. So since why kudokotela and umuntu ona experience understand lezi zinto zoma bipolar and stuff ukuthi isebenza kanjani. Aside ukuthi wakutshela ukuthi insangu ine impact, but ikhona enye into explainela ngayo ukuthi ezinye zezizathu zokuthi umuntu abe ne bipolar ilokhu nalokhu just to help omunye umuntu osekhaya to see ama symptoms ukuthi lezi impawu nalezi nazo ngaphandle kwensangu ke lo mentioned before.
Okay, bipolar is mood swings. Sometimes ujabulile, sometimes ukwatile. So abantu baphethe bipolar. Sometimes wanokulwisa umuntu without no particular reason. Yeah. So sometimes uyakwata imood ibaphansi. Yeah. So ama symptoms la uzowabona kumuntu ophethe bipolar ukuthi okay, sometimes he's angry, sometimes he's happy.
Mood swing.
Yeah, mood swings. Yeah.
Okay. So from inside la njengoba ngihleli nawe la ngikhuluma nawe ngibona umuntu o different to umuntu omchaza. Ucalm, ufriendly since ufike la awukwazi ube nenkinga ukuthi mhlawumbe sikuthole wenza into ethe sizwa ngawe nje ubusho nje.
Okay.
Yini lekusizile ukuthi mhlawumbe ube where you are manje ubonakale kungcono na before?
Ngiyabonga but into engenza ukuthi ngibe sharp ukuthi ngithathe medication. There's medication for this. Okay. Bipolar cannot be cured. It can only be treated. Yeah. But the last time Elon Musk is I don't know if it's false news or something. But Elon Musk is searching for a cure depression. Okay. But then there's no cure for depression. There's only treatment for depression. Yeah. Like medication like Epilium, olanzapine. Yeah. I'm just naming a few. Okay. Yeah.
So as you said, ukuthi kwi-family bazamile ngendlela bazama. Let's talk about you as indoda ukuthi kuyona ke situation ukuyayithola sothandweni like umuntu wesifazane kwenzeke kanjani ikhona into ekuyaqhubeka kanjani noma awukazi since ngenxa ukuthi ukhula under this situation.
Mangikhula under this situation I was almost single for the rest of my life. I took Cholin Tomazan lately. Igama lakhe uZanele.
Okay.
I just thank her for the opportunity langinike yona yokuthi stay. Yeah.
Usakhona namanje?
Yeah, usekhona.
Okay.
So I was single for 13 years in the tertiary date umuntu, which was 2012. Now it's 2015, so it's 13 years single. Yeah, so yeah,
ngenxa yokuthi ubusabela ukuthi mhlambe ngahle ugcina usulimaza abantu.
No, I think either way ngizipresenta ngakhona umantombazane and sometimes ngibatshela iqiniso ukuthi okay, I'm suffering from this type of condition.
Oh yeah. Manje bese beyasaba ke running away from you.
Yeah.
Oyish, bros. Njalo ubona sibuza kanje senzela ukuthi mhlambe makuthi khona umuntu ekhaya onalezi zinto umfowethu akhuluma ngazo, more especially kubantu besilisa, sibhekisisa ukuthi ayikho into efana nale yakhuluma ngayo bipolar ukuze sikwazi ukumsiza. Akushoyo ukuthi ayinalo ikhambi, inento yokudambisa kuphela which is a treatment kuphela. Naye asayithatha ayihlonipha. Mfethu mhlambe for the last time to you i-message ebheke kubantu emakhaya like amadoda ayithola neyinkinga angazazi ezusushilo ukuthi there is no cure ngelento ye-bipolar, only i-treatment. Message yakho ukuze abantu bahlezi be-wise ngalento beyazi beyivikela esikhathini esi-early ithini?
Okay, my message is a bit controversial ngoba mina into engizotshela abantu ekhaya ukuthi like we've been directed to a wrong place wekuthi masibangani siyachila sibhema insango, which is the wrong thing. Yeah, ilimaza abantu abaningi insango. Yeah, that's my message to a lot of people. I have a friend on bengihamba naye bengena naye university. He's dead now because of weed. Yena it wasn't the same as me. Yena uthole epilepsy. So he was full of smoke, smoke in his lungs. So bekafita enzani. Now he's gone because of the weed. So my message is, let's not be directed to the wrong place. Let's know what we are doing. Let's not go in peer pressure, such as we smoking weed and stuff like that. So I don't know. Yeah, it's a bit controversial, but then.
But thank you very much for coming. I think sifundele khulu from you, and we will take it from here to make sure ukuthi nathi siba streetwise ngalezi zinto kanje and teach other people ukuthi uma umuntu kanje usuke umuntu ephila only udinga uthando nokwesekwa so that ezokwazi ukuqhubeka nempilo ayifile as a human being.
Yeah.
Siyabonga mfowethu. Siyabonga kakhulu babukeli beBlack Life emakhaya, sithemba ukuthi nani nitholile nikudingayo nakufunda. Indoda ayikhali, igama lohlela igama lami King Sichaka ngokwaloqa, signing out.
Is the Black Life